A patient walks in the hospital for the third time and is asked the same question again. Their information already exists, but it is not in the right place at the right time for the right people. This is the reality inside many healthcare systems today. Information is spread across departments, roles, and processes that do not speak to each other. For doctors, this means less clarity when decision must be fast. For patients, it means repetition and frustration. For managers and public health organizations, it means reports that are always one step behind reality. The problem is not lack of data, but the problem is how the data is organized, accessed, and trusted. This challenge requires more than another system. It requires a better way of connecting information and responsibility. This is where Health Connect comes in. Health Connect is a patient relationship system designed to bring clarity and structure to healthcare information. It provides a single consistent patient record, clear responsibility over who can see and update information, transparency over how patient data changes over time. Health Connects is used by doctors who focus only on the patient they care for, administrative staff who manage patient information efficiently, system manager who ensure accountability and data protection. By organizing patient information around real healthcare roles, Health Connect reduces duplication, protects privacy, and improves trust. It is not built just for today's need, but to support healthcare organizations as they grow, connect, and make better decisions.
Let me start to showing the patient data in our system. What we can see here is a real data migrated from our previous ETS task, not a dummy data. This migrated data now becomes the baseline of our current system. So, how did we move the data into our system? We used the import wizard and map each field carefully to make sure the data stays consistent and structured. This process allows us to handle large amount of patient data efficiently. After the migration, the data was not left as it is. Each patient is now connected to a specific doctor using a relational structure. This makes the data more organized and ready for daily operation. To show that the system is already operational, different users can access the data. For example, doctors can only see patients assigned to them. If they try to access other patients, the data simply won't appear. And finally, every change made to the patient data is recorded in the audit log. This helps us to track who changed, what, and when, which is very important for healthcare data.
Berikutnya saya juga di sini setelah membuat user manajemen. Nah, di sini saya sudah menambahkan beberapa user, yaitu ada untuk user dokter, yang dimana ada 5 dokter di sini, yaitu dokter onkologi, penyakit dalam, paru, jantung umum, juga untuk satu staf admin. User dokter ini dia hanya bisa mengakses dan melihat, mengedit data pasien miliknya sendiri. Jadi dia tidak bisa mengakses data pasien dari dokter lain yang bukan tanggung jawabnya. Untuk admin itu dia bisa menambah, mengedit, mengelola data pasien, bisa menghapus juga, tetapi dia tidak bisa mengubah-ubah di bagian data dokter. Nah, kemudian ini juga adalah role yang sudah saya buat. Atau kemudian ini adalah tampilan sebagai staf admin, yang dimana dia bisa melihat data dokter tetapi tidak bisa mengedit, mengubah, atau menambahnya. Kemudian ini staf admin di bagian data pasien oleh staf admin. Ini adalah tampilan edit di bagian halaman bagi staf admin. Nah, berikut adalah tampilan dari dokter umum. Ini adalah tampilan untuk bagian dokter paru. Untuk kemudian ini adalah untuk tampilan dokter dari penyakit dalam. Si audit logging ini itu juga untuk menampilkan setiap aktivitas yang dilakukan oleh user tersebut, entah dia melakukan perubahan pada data pasien oleh dokter, entah dia mengedit, menambahkan. Juga di sini juga menyebutkan file-file mana yang dilakukan perubahannya, value yang sebelumnya apa dan value yang barunya apa, berubahnya tanggal berapa, dan diubahnya oleh siapa. Ini untuk tampilan dokter jantung. Dan yang terakhir adalah dokter onkologi.
I'm Haura Ghazal Faizdin, NRP 15/2024-210. In this section, I will explain the system impact on the decision making and governance. With the Suite CRM method, patient data management system, the decision-making process becomes more effective and structured. Patients are assigned to doctor according to their specialization, resulting in more spacious and efficient medical service. In terms of data quality, the system is well structured. Through intermodal relationship, the use of draft lists and audit log that record every data change. This improves data consistency and accountability. Regarding ethics and privacy, the system implements clear access restriction. Doctors can only access their own patient data, staff handle and administration focus on system management. This ensure the security and confidentiality of patient data. Overall, the system engages user trust and is ready for implementation and development over the next 2 to 5 years. Thank you.